أجمعين. I am very happy, and also my colleagues in the Sharia Supervisory Board are very happy to know that Alhamdulillah Mizan Bank has achieved the award of the best bank in Pakistan. Not only best among the Islamic banks, but all over Pakistan, Alhamdulillah. This is a big achievement by the Mizan Bank, and we are very happy to know about this. And Alhamdulillah, the credit goes to Mr. Irfan Siddiqui and his valuable team, who have worked hard to grow the bank to such a stage that Alhamdulillah it has won the award of the best bank of Pakistan. We are proud of that. We are happy to know this, and we hope that we offer our gratefulness to the whole team that has worked together for the progress of the bank, and simultaneously to be compliant with Sharia, compliant with Islamic teachings. And I think this is the first precedent in the whole world, I think, that an Islamic bank has won an award for being the best bank in the country. I never heard about it in any other country where there are so many Islamic banks, but to my knowledge, there is none, no Islamic bank that has achieved this award on that score. So therefore, we are very happy, we are very grateful to the bank, to the management of the bank, to the team of the bank, who are working very hard, and we hope that inshallah these efforts will continue, and inshallah